people coming out and telling you about what really has happened, talking to the girl, talking to Tarun as
No,
well?
I'm saying that I'll be setting up the committee, after which it will be for the committee to look into the matter. So far, I have acted contrary to the accounts in the media. The truth is, and I'm going to be speaking in great detail about it, the truth is that from the moment I got this complaint, which again contrary to the media is not been for many days, but actually only as of Monday this week, I have acted absolutely, wholly and solely driven by my desire to address the aggrieved journalist's sense of injury and to act in her interest. The moment I confronted Tarun about this very, very angrily, he had a different version of the account, contrary to everything we've been saying in the media. I absolutely overrode his version and asked for a unilaterally unconditional apology from him. This was extended to the journalist within a day. She complained to me on Monday. The unconditional apology was extended to her by Tuesday. Further to this, he stepped down because my sense was that regardless of the differing versions, whether it was consensual or non-consensual, as a leader of the institution, he had transgressed, and in addition to her, he had betrayed the faith of other journalists, so he stepped down. I sent this letter to people. As you know, it was leaked so instantaneously that further action was not possible in a measured way. To my understanding, because I did speak to the journalist just before I sent the letters, she told me that this was something that showed her he was genuinely sorry for what had happened and that she felt no further need for vengeance, that she was driven by a need for justice and now needed to heal, which is why when it leaked, I would have phrased it differently. Because I was besieged by so many calls, I said that she was satisfied with it. It was only from television that I got to know that she was deeply disappointed by my response. Now that she is disappointed by my response, I have set up the committee, and the committee, now both versions of this incident will be before the committee. It will be an impartial, unimpeachable one, and they will look into. I am not here to defend or judge. It is the committee that must come to its own conclusions, and I request you not to speculate on this further and respect her privacy.